Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
A kind-hearted man spent 7 hours digging through piles of wood to save a litter of tiny kittens in the dumpster. A month ago, Cliff heard meowing coming from a pile of wood in the dumpster. He spotted a little helpless kitten hanging onto scraps of wood, letting out a few faint cries. Soon he discovered that there were more than one kitten. They got dumped in the dumpster, then there was wood dumped on top. He spent hours digging through piles of wood and steels to save the abandoned kittens. They were so young that their eyes just opened. He first located the whereabouts of the kittens and then carefully dug through the piles to retrieve them. After hours upon hours of digging, he got all the kittens, but one didn't survive. Mom chose a huge box to give birth in and kittens got thrown in dumpster. Watching over, Whiskers said, "This is where Cliff found the kittens." Cliff got a tiny gray kitten out from under a pile of wood scraps. He put the fur baby on his lap and gave the little one some much-needed TLC. He placed a tiny kitten in his pocket to keep warm and continued to look for others. After hours of rummaging, he got all the kittens out of the dumpster. The kittens were so young that they would need around-the-clock care. Cliff and his family began to look for help, and after a lot of searching, one rescue group responded and offered to help with open arms. The good folks from Watching Over Whiskers, Springfield, Missouri, took the kittens into their care. The babies got baths, full bellies and a warm bed to sleep in. They got milk all over each other. They were so hungry, the rescue group said. One of the gray babies crossed the rainbow bridge. The little buddy fought hard. Two of the kittens are smaller, so Roxy, a beautiful rescue mama, is giving them milk and lots of TLC. Despite a hard beginning, these kittens are now thriving at their foster home. The kindness from their rescuer and the unconditional love from their caregivers and surrogate mom have turned their lives around. Now they are learning to explore and are excited about their new adventures in life. Share this story with your friends. If you would like to support their rescue efforts,